Hello everyone, I am Shivam Pasari and welcome to ACN Academy. Now as you can see from the title of this video, in this video we will find the number of divisors of the number 2700. So without further ado, let's begin with our topic. So according to the given question, we have to find out the number of divisors of the number 2700. So indirectly the question is asking the number of factors of the number 2700. So I would like you to try to solve this question first by yourself and then come back to the video for the solution. I hope that you have tried the question by yourself and you have got the answer, and if you didn't, then let's check the solution. Now to find out the number of divisors or number of factors, the first step is to prime factorize the number. Now 2700 can be written as 27 into 100. Now we know that 27 is nothing but 3 cube and 100 is nothing but 2 square into 5 square. So we have prime factorized the number, and prime factorization of 2700 is equal to 2 square into 3 cube into 5 square. Now we have the prime factorization of the number as 2 square into 3 cube into 5 square. Now we just have to put these numbers in the formula. So according to the formula, the number of divisors will be 2 plus 1 into 3 plus 1 into 2 plus 1. So we'll have to find out the product of the numbers 3 into 4 into 3, and which is equal to 36. So the number of divisors of 2700 is equal to 36. In the second part of the question, we have to find out the number of divisors of 2700 without the numbers 1 and 2700. So in the first part, we have calculated that the number of divisors of 2700 is equal to 36. So if we exclude the numbers 1 and 2700, we have to minus 2 from the total answer and we'll get 34 as our answer. So the number of divisors of 2700 excluding 1 and 2700 is equal to 34. That was all for this video, and I hope that you understood all the topics covered in this video. And if you have any doubt, then you can post your doubts down in the comment section, or you can send your doubts to us to our channel's official Instagram or Facebook page, and we will surely solve your doubt as soon as possible. Or you can go to the official website of ACN Academy and you can send your doubts to us from there, and all the links are provided down in the description. And if you did like the video, then please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel ACN Academy.